Hello everyone, Namaste dosto. This is Sahar and Prashant. I'm a fitness and kickboxing coach and he is an emergency physician. So today we are going to talk about misunderstood and misconception about fitness and exercise and gym, which in society people talk about it and it is wrong. So first thing is starting gym. I have to take so much supplement. Supplement are costly. How I find it? Which brand I trust? I have to take protein whey. So what is the fact behind this?
See, I can this thing I can understand because when you start your fitness journey, there will be a lot of questions in your mind. 100%. Whenever you start something new, there will be a lot of questions. But basic thing, all these things are named as supplement. So actually, you don't need them if you have a proper diet. Like after gym, if you know, okay, I have to take this much of diet, and if you're having that diet with your food, daily food intake is good. You don't need any kind of supplement. No need. Yeah, done, finish. Everything is there.
Supplement are not necessary at all. Food is necessary. Food is vital, and it's enough.
Yeah.
Next question is that I saw many friends or relative they consume supplement and they have kidney problem, liver problem, skin problem. These supplements are very bad for kidney and liver. So you as a doctor, is it true?
No, not at all. It's not harmful unless until it's fake. First of all, any supplement, forget about supplement. Whatever you are eating, which is going to your body, it should be original. It should not be fake. So whatever product you are buying it, you have to see the is it authentic or not. You have to see it's original or not. If you buy it original and if you are taking it in moderation like a supplement, it's good.
It's not harmful for liver and
100%
kidney
it's
at
not,
all.
not at all. If you're taking it as a supplement, not as a food.
Yeah. If you have any doubt, you can ask us in comment. We will reply, and or if it's a very big subject, we will make a video about this.
Yeah. Together we will make this world healthy, 100%.
See you in next video in another topic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.